Listen up, parents. Let's admit that we don't know what the hell we are doing. Let's admit that this parenting thing is so hard. It is literally one of the hardest things we will ever do in our lives. Let's admit that most days, more than not, we feel like utter failures, like big losers. We don't have a clue. This is how I felt when I first became a parent, and no one was talking about it. That's when I decided to write my first book, The Conscious Parent. And because parents need so much help and we need to go deeper, I wrote my second book, Out of Control. And then, yet again, I went even deeper with my third book, The Awakened Family. I really thought that these 3 books would change the world. Parents all over would begin to understand how to connect with their children. They would check in their egos and the world would become a better place. But then I would meet child after child after child after child, and this is what they would tell me.
Dr. Shefali, my parents need so much help. Please help.
I just give up. I tell them to be more conscious, but they literally have no idea what I'm talking about.
Shefali, can you please help my parents? They need your help.
I need to escape my house. My mother's driving me crazy.
My mom is so unconscious.
Dr. Shefali, please. My mom needs help.
Seriously, Dr. Shefali, my parents have taken so many of your courses and they're just not getting it. Can you please help?
Really? Your parents are just not getting it? They've taken so many courses. They've read so many books.
No, they don't get it. They need help. Help my parents, Dr. Shefali.
Dr. Shefali, if you help my parents be less triggered, I will give you everything I own.
I think parents need it all broken down. I think they need it step by step by step.
Mom, just write another book. People don't get it.
They want the steps. I'm going to give them the steps. The steps to conscious parenting. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. I'm going to give them the steps.
To spell it out, Dr. Shefali, A, B, C. Make it simple, please. Please do something.
I'm drowning over here. Don't you have a conscious parenting life jacket to help them?
I think I did it. I have broken down conscious parenting into an easy to follow step-by-step map. I did it. Here's the book. It's complete. It's called The Parenting Map. Step-by-step solutions to consciously create the ultimate parent-child relationship. No matter where you are on your journey, no matter how messed up you are, if you follow these steps, you will become that conscious parent that your kid has been waiting for you to become. Grab your copy now and join me on this fabulous journey of becoming more conscious.